Hi guys, thanks for being here. We are back again. Here is our another video. In this video we are going to show you how to utilize your old tools and the decorative ideas and the art, and how to upcycle it. As we all know that in today's world where sustainability and the eco-friendliness are becoming increasingly important, the concept of upcycling and the repurposing old tools and the decor and the art has gained significant popularity. Not only does it offer a creative way to add a unique touch to your home or office, but it also prompts recycling and the reduced waste. In this video, we will explore some innovative ideas for incorporating old tools into your interior design, as well as art ideas that can be transformed these tools into a stunning work of art. First one is wall hook, old wrench, pillar, plier, and the screwdriver can be transformed into a quickly and functional wall hook. Simply attach them to the piece of wood and metal sheet and mount it on the wall to create a rustic and industrial look. Coat rack or a place to hang your key, hats, or the bags. Shelving unit, wood crate, or a pallet can be repurposed to create a unique shelving unit by attaching old saw, hammer, or the other tools as the brackets. Paint them in a vibrant color or keep them in their original form for an eye-catching and the functional pieces of the wall art. Old drill pieces, vases, and the wrenches can be used as a base of the table lamp or floor lamp. By wiring them with a light bulb and a lampshade, you can create a one-of-a-kind lighting fixture that adds the industrial and the vintage touch to your room. Old shelf racks and the hoists can be transformed into a artistic garden decor. Attach them to the wooden post or a metal rod to create a unique and rustic garden structure. You can also use them as a trestles or the climbing plants to create a vertical garden by attaching a pot to them. Arrange old hand saws, wrenches, and the other tools in a visually appealing pattern on a wooden frame or a canvas to create a stunning piece of wall art. You can leave them in their original rusty form for a vintage look, or paint them in a different vibrant color to match your decor. Use old tools such as hammer, wrench, and the pliers to create a unique and abstract sculptures. Weld them together or attach them using bolt and the screw to form an interesting shape and the design. You can also incorporate other materials such as wood or metal scrap to add a texture and the depth to your sculpture. Create a collage by arranging old tools on a canvas or a wooden board and gluing them in a place. You can mix and match different tools to create a visually appealing compositions. Consider adding other elements such as vintage hardware, nuts, and the bolt, or the old machine part to enhance the visual interest of your collage. Break old tools such as tile, wrench, and the screwdrivers into a smaller piece and use them to create a unique mosaic art. Arrange the pieces of the surface such as tabletop or wall and use the grout to fill in gaps. You can create a geometric pattern, abstract design, and even realistic image using the different shape and color of the tools. Create a shadow box using old tools as the main focal point. Arrange them in a visually appealing manner inside a deep frame and mount it on the wall or place it on a tabletop. You can add other elements such as vintage photographs, handwritten notes, or small trinkets to create a story or theme within the shadow box. Use all tools such as wrench, plier, and screwdrivers to create a unique whimsical mobile. Attach them to the frame using string or the wire and hang them from the ceiling to create a captivating and the dynamic piece of art. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and if you have any type of suggestion, you can ping us in our comment box. Thank you so much.